7 interesting facts about raw food juicing. 1. Nutrient retention. Raw food juicing involves extracting the juice from fruits and vegetables without cooking them, thereby preserving the natural vitamins, minerals, and enzymes present in the produce. This method helps retain more nutrients compared to traditional cooking methods. 2. Increased nutrient absorption. Juicing breaks down the cell walls of fruits and vegetables, making it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients. This allows for better digestion and assimilation of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 3. Hydration boost. Juicing is an excellent way to stay hydrated as it provides a concentrated source of fluids. It can be especially beneficial during hot summer months or after a workout, helping replenish electrolytes and maintaining optimal hydration levels. 4. Alkalizing properties. Raw food juices, particularly those made from leafy greens and vegetables, tend to have an alkalizing effect on the body. Balancing the body's pH levels can support overall health and may help reduce inflammation. 5. Increased fiber intake. While juicing removes the fibrous pulp from fruits and vegetables, some types of juicers retain a portion of the pulp in the juice. This allows you to consume more fiber than you would through regular fruit juice. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. 6. Detoxification support. Raw food juicing is often associated with detoxification due to its high nutrient content and hydrating properties. Many people use juice cleanses or detox diets to support the body's natural detoxification processes and give their digestive system a break. 7. Creative flavor combinations. Raw food juicing offers a wide range of flavor possibilities. You can experiment with various fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices to create unique and tasty juice blends. This allows you to explore different flavor profiles and enjoy a diverse range of nutrients.